all my beautiful friends out there in YouTube land, and welcome back to Do It Homestead. Tell you what, sometimes it pays to be a big guy. So I could have sworn I had a brand new 100-foot rope that I purchased about 2 months ago, but I can't find it anywhere. And now that I'm thinking back really hard, I think that day when I was in Home Depot, I might have said, do I really need to purchase this right now? I didn't foresee myself using it for a couple months. I think I might have put it back. I hate it when that happens. But I do have this old hose here that we recently replaced because it was wearing out, getting some cracks and holes in it. So I haven't thrown this away yet. So I'm going to use this like a rope. I sure hope we got that. That was fantastic. Woo! Yeah, it was. Look, we don't even have to buck it now. Look, it's all busted up into a million pieces already. Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy, man. That thing was so hollow.
I already cut through it, man. It was done.
Wow, it was just sitting there.
That was the only part I didn't cut.
Carpenter ants done set up shop. Inside of that log right there. Disgusting. Alright, you guys got to get this done quick because my battery's about to die. So you see the aftermath from what we got done today. A lot of trees cut down on this old dead one cut down here. He's going to pull that down with the truck. Got a bunch of them on his side, a bunch of them on my side, and we've cleaned this up. Got a lot of mess to clean up, a lot of stumps that we're going to cut down lower. We left this pecan, nice straight oak. These old mature trees here, you can just see how much it opens everything up, and it's going to let a lot more light in. So anything we do try to grow around here will have a better shot of doing well. Alright guys, that's going to be all for today. Thank you for joining us. Love you guys. Remember to like and subscribe and share it with your friends. We appreciate it. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.